Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to create a website using HTML and CSS only. This kind of website can be used for your business purpose, for your personal purpose, and also can be used as a college project. I have used a very simple HTML tag and CSS styling in this video so that everyone can understand, including beginners, very easily. Okay, I have a folder named a website and a background image. Open a VS Code and select a folder which you have already created and create a file name index.html and also style.css. Now write a basic format and delete this meta char set. Now write a title, web page design, and link this web page with style.css. Okay, inside the body we create a div.main, and inside the class main we create another div, that is .navbar, and inside the navigation bar we create .icon, which is for our logo. Class logo and a name PRAROJ. Okay, let's see in our browser. Browse. Okay, here we have our logo. Now we go to style.css, put a margin of 0 and padding also 0. We go to our class main with 100% background linen gradient to top, RGBA 000 and zero point 0.5 and 50% background image. Now connect with URL 1.jpg and background position will be center and background size will be cover and height will be 109 VH. Now go to the website. You can see the background image. You can see it is looking good. Now let's go back to the class bar. Navbar. Keep the width 1200 pixel. Height of 75 pixel. And then the margin auto. Now go to the next dot icon. Width of 200 pixels. Keep the float left. And height 70 pixel. And go to the dot logo. Keep the color orange color. Then after see in the website, see you can see the color. Now keep the font size 35 pixel and font family will be Arial and keep the padding 20 pixel. Float also left and padding top will be 10 pixel. Now we go back to the index and create another div that is for our menu, that is div.menu, and create another list. Inside another list we create a list and an anchor tag. Then we copy this and copy paste it. Type a home, about, service, design, and contact. Now let's go back to our website. You can see the menu. Now go back to the style.css dot menu. Then keep the width 400 pixel and float left, height of 70 pixel. Okay. Now we go to another list, float left, display flex, and justify content center. and align item also center. Now go to the web page. Here we have. Now we go to another list, inside list, and we have list type none and margin left 62 pixel, margin top 27 pixel, and font size 14 pixel. Okay, now our design is looking more good. Okay, now go to another list anchor tab. Keep the text decoration none and color white. Okay, you can see the color white. And our font family Arial. And the font width bold. Keep a transition 0.4 is in out. Okay, now we'll put a hover effect in our menu. Color will be orange. See, while hover, there will be orange color. Now let's get back to our index.html. Now create another div for search bar. Then after we put the input type search and keep the name placeholder and type to text. And class will be srch. Okay, anchor tag button. Inside button we put a class that is button and another search. Now you can see the search bar. Now go to style.css and we will design the search bar. Keep the width 330 pixel, float left, margin left 270 pixel, and .srch of the font family Time New Roman, width of 200 pixel, height of 40 pixel, and background transparent. It looks more good. Now keep the border 1 pixel solid orange and margin top 13 pixel. Add the color of white and a border right none and font size 16 pixel. Float will be left and padding will be 10 pixel. Border button will be 5 pixel. Border top also 5 pixel. Now for the .btn, keep the width 100 pixel, height of 40 pixel, background orange, border 2 pixel solid orange, margin top 13 pixel, color white, and font size 15 pixel. Border button 5 pixel and also border 5 pixel. Now go to dot button focus. Outline will be none. And also for SRCS focus, outline will be none. Now go to website. Now you can see there is error. So we have kept with 100%. So let's change it to 100 pixel. Now you can see the search box in right place. Now go to index.html and create another div, that is our description. Div.content h1 tag, web design, and BR for break, and span development, break, and course. Okay, you can see it's in black color. Now we will add paragraph, that is p tag. Now keep the break over here. Here is our description for the website. Now we will keep a button class CN, that is for contact. Let's say join us if you are interested. Okay, you can see our join us button. Now go to style.css for the content. Keep the width 1200 pixel. Keep the height auto and margin also auto. Color will be white. Position will be relative. Okay, now you can see the design. Before it was black color. Now for the paragraph, keep the padding left 20 pixel. Keep the padding bottom 25 pixel and keep the font family Arial. And also keep the letter spacing 1.2 pixel and keep the line height 30 pixel. Now it looks more good. Now go to dot content h1 tag for the heading. Keep the font family Time New Roman. Keep the font size 50 pixel and padding left will be 20 pixel and margin top will be 9% and letter spacing will be 2 pixel. Okay, now it is looking more better. Now we will add dot content for contact with 160 pixel, height of 40 pixel and background orange and border will be none. Here is our join us button. Now we'll put a margin button 10 pixel and margin left will be 20 pixel. Now keep the font size 18 pixel and border radius 10 pixel and cursor pointer. Okay, now it looks good. Now we will remove that underline. Now go to the next class content.cn. A, keep the text decoration none. Now let's keep the color black and transition will be 0.3 is. Now we will put a hover effect in join us. .cn hover. Keep the background white so that it can see clearly. You can see the hover effect. Now we will keep a transition in contact. Keep the transition point for as is. Now it looks more good. Now dot content span. Color will be orange and font size will be 6 pixel Now font size will be 60 pixel. Now we will go to index.html and create another div that is for our login box, that is div.form as to tag login here, and put an input, type email, and name will be also email, and keep the placeholder enter email here. Now for the password, keep the input type password and name blank and placeholder enter password here. Now button class btn and anchor tag login. Okay, now we have our login box. Now in view paragraph tag p class link don't have an account, and break anchor tag sign up here. Okay. Okay, now again p tag login with. Now we will keep this login part to the right. For that, go to style.css dot form. Width will be 250 pixel. Height will be 380 pixel. Background will be linear gradient to top. RGBA 0 and 0.8, 50%. Copy paste it and then keep the position absolute, and top will be minus 20 pixel and left will be 870 pixel. Okay, you can see it has moved to the right. Now we will add the border radius 10 pixel and padding will be 25 pixel. Then now for astro tag, width will be 220 pixel. Font family will be sans serif. Text align will be center. Okay, it looks more good now. Now keep the color orange. Font size will be 22 pixel. Background color will be white. And border radius will be 10 pixel. Margin will be 2 pixel. Padding 8 pixel. Okay, you can see there. Now for input, we will keep the width to 40 pixel, height of 35 pixel, and background transparent. Okay, now we will have a border button 1 pixel solid orange, and border top none, border right also none, and border left also none. And we will keep the color white. Okay, you can see the changes. And keep the font size 15 pixel, and letter spacing will be 1 pixel, and margin top will be 30 pixel, and font size will be and font family will be sans serif. You can see the font. Now we will keep input focus. For that, keep the outline none, and for the placeholder, we will keep the color white, and font family will be Arial. Now it is more brighter and dark. Okay, go to index.html. I have made a mistake there. Button class, write btnn. Now go to style.css and we will work for the button dot btnn. Keep the width to 40 pixel, height 40 pixel, and background will be orange. Okay, here is our login box. Now we will keep our border none. Margin top will be 30 pixel. Font size will be 18 pixel. Border radius will be 10 pixel. Okay, it is looking more good now. And keep the cursor pointer and color white. Now we'll put a hover effect. Background will be white and color will be orange. You can see the hover effect there. And in button keep transition 0.4s each. Now we will remove that underline. Write dot btnn a text decoration none and color will be black. And font weight will be bold. Now it is looking more clear. Now for form link, keep the font family Arial and font size 17 pixel and padding top will be 20 pixel. Text align will be center. Now for the anchor tag, keep the decoration none, color orange. Now for the login, keep the padding top 15 pixel, padding bottom 10 pixel and text align center. You can see your login with is being in center. Okay, you can see my paragraph tag is in upward, so let's keep it down. So I just want that sign up to be highlighted. So keep the closing anchor tag over there. Okay, it looks more good. Okay, now we put our script source. Click in the link in the description and copy the URL and paste it inside the quotation mark. Okay, we will create another div that is for our icon. Div class, anchor tag, icon name will be logo Facebook. Here you can see the logo. Now copy this and paste it 4 times. Write Instagram Twitter, Google, and Skype. Here you can see our 5 icons. Now let's design the icons. Keep the text decoration none and color white. Okay. For ion icons, we'll put the color white and then font size 30 pixel and padding left will be 14 pixel. Padding top will be 5 pixel. Okay, it looks more good. Now we'll keep hover effect there. Right ion icon hover. Color will be orange. You can see the hover effect there. Now we'll keep transition in ion icon. 0.3 as is. Now it is looking more good. Finally, we have done with our website. If you have any question, please comment down the below. Thank you for watching guys. Like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.